Hi guys, so today we'll discuss about bridge engineering. So this is the syllabus of bridge engineering in MPSC MES mains exam. So there are 10 topics which are given in the syllabus. Today we will discuss about selection of bridges and the remaining topics we'll discuss as we go along. So selection of site for bridges. So for construction of bridge there are some prerequisites. So what are they? Straight reach of river, steady river flow, strong abutments, that is end supports, constructed at narrowest width, availability of labours and materials, and a right angle crossing. So to understand each of these, let's start from the first, that is stretch reach of river. So what do you mean by reach? Reach means length. So stretch length of river. As you know that river is not something which is flowing in a straight line. It is flowing in zigzag manner or a manner that you cannot just it is not constant for all rivers. So what is important to us is we should construct a bridge where there is a straight reach of river. Okay, so you consider this is a river and for certain path it is straight. Okay, so we will construct the bridge over here. Okay, so next, at narrowest width. Okay, construction at narrowest width. So this clearly explains, we cannot, if we have two options of construction of bridge at this point and at this point, so where you will construct the bridge. So it is logical to construct a bridge here. As you can see, the width here is small, so the materials which will be required for construction of this bridge will be less, hence this will be economical. Strong abutments. So this is good for structural point of view. Abutments means the end supports, as we have discussed. So this should be strong. If this is strong, the overall structure is strong. So important definitions. So these are some of the definitions that you will be required to know as we go along. So let's start. What is span? Span is center to center distance between two piers. What is pier? So consider this is a bridge. Okay, so there are some supports to the bridge. These are known as piers. Okay, what is clear span? Clear span is clear distance between two piers. As we have seen, distance, center to center distance between two piers is known as span. Okay, and clear distance between two piers is known as clear span. So next, abutments. What is abutments? They are end supports. What is piers? They are intermediate support. Okay, so what is abutment piers? There are some piers which are designed as abutments. Okay, so they are known as abutment piers. What is wing walls? They support soil behind them. Let's take this top view of bridge. Okay, to understand all the definitions. So starting from span. So what is span? It is a center to center distance between two piers. So this is a top view of a bridge. Okay, this is a road which was coming, some road which was coming like this. It gets connect to the bridge. Before the road there is approach. Okay, so first the road connects approach and then it connects the carriageway. Okay, so this is approach, this is also approach. What is this? These are piers. What is this thing? This is known as abutment, and these are known as wing walls. Fine. So bridge length is clear distance between face of abutments. So before finishing this lecture, just I want to tell you, bridge engineering is easiest subject of MPSC MES mains exam. Okay, the weightage is 10 questions and marks for each question is 2, that is 20 marks. So out of 400 marks, 20 marks weightage is on this subject, and as you have seen, the syllabus is very small, as well as there are very less concepts. So prepare this subject very properly. Input to output ratio of this subject is very high. Okay, so thank you.